believe it starts at 10 o'clock sharp. Little movement during the formal part of the ceremony. Your Excellency,
to the Electoral Commission of Fiji. Whereas by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, it has become necessary to hold an election of members to sit and vote in Parliament. Now therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 59(1) of the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and Section 21 of the Electoral Act 2014, and on the advice of the Prime Minister, I command you to cause an election to be held according to law of 51 members to sit and vote in Parliament, and I appoint the 6th hour past noon on the first day of October 2018 to be the time and date before which the registration of voters for the election is to be made, and I hereby direct that you must receive the nominations of candidates at the Fijian Elections Office situated at 59 to 63 High Street, Toorak here in Suva, by 12 noon on the 15th day of October 2018. And in the event that the election is contested, you must cause a poll to be taken on the 14th day of November 2018, and that you may cause pre-poll voting and postal voting prior to the 14th day of November 2018. And I command you to endorse the names of the candidates elected as members of Parliament and return this writ on or before the 28th day of November 2018. Given under my hand at Suva this first day of October 2018.
May we have, and have a great day. Nawali. Thank you. Could we have the members?